Tornado by Tanya, Shannon, and Daneeya. What is a tornado and how do they happen? How did we work? We had many troubles. We broke our Play-Doh characters. We had to do our movie 2 times because we wrote things and the sounds were wrong. We had to do this sound 5 times. We were almost out of time. But we still worked as a team and finished in time. We had a wonderful time. What is a tornado? It's a violent, rotating column of air and dust, extending from a thunderstorm to the ground. Cutting our stage. Two twin sisters go to pick apples for the apple pie. The sky suddenly goes green. Dust swirls round. Hail falls. Then a tornado happens. The sisters whirl around and round in the tornado. Making the movie.
So I want you kind of bring it forward so we can hear you a bit better. There we go.
Us working or staring. I. Lots of dust work.
Good. All right, Tanya, can you come up and press play for your movie? Okay, did anyone see the tornado in their movie?
Yes.
Can you play one more time so we can look for the tornado? Goes by really fast.
Here's a tornado. No, in fact, here's a tornado.
Yeah. Well done, girls.